how to connect your solar panels in parallel. So let's discuss about parallel connection. What is parallel connection? Okay, parallel connection is a connection that you do in a kind of in a situation, one type of solar system that requires you to increase only your current, increase your amps. That is a current, right? So when you are connecting your solar panel in parallel, note that you want to increase your current. Maybe it depends on the connection you want to do. And this type of connection comes basically when you are using a PWM charge controller, mostly maybe when you want to install maybe 1 kVA system and your design is to use PWM controller. A PWM controller where you are using it's most of them require current and what maintain voltage of 50 to 100 volts. Basically, most of them are 50 volt maximum PV input voltage. So, okay, but now I'm going to teach you how you can connect a solar panel in parallel. But remember, there's a law that governs all this type of connection that we do in solar system. What are the laws? In parallel, we have a law that states that when you connect your panel in parallel, increase what? Your current. Right? Then remember, in a panel, we are working towards achieving either current or voltage or the both. So with this, we have voltage here. Right? So in this panel, they are saying that, okay, the law says when you connect panel or you do parallel connection, what increases is your current and your voltage remains the same. So when you connect panel in parallel, your current tends to increase while your voltage remains at the same level. Nothing changed. It's only your current that changed. Voltage is constant. So this is the law that we'll be applying on our connection. So when we do our connection, we will not get our output result. Quickly, let's connect just like the way we do for series. So if you have not watched the video on series connection, please go back and watch that video on series connection of parallel. This is a parallel connection. So let's also use 3 pieces, and remember, we are using this our design, right? Yes, we are using this our design for panel 200 watts. Then our VIP is 40 volt. Our IMP, which is our current, is 5 amps. We are using this small number so that it can be easily, we can understand this easily instead of using a big number or big figures. So now, let's use 3. We have 1 here, right? We have another 1 here. Are we together? Then we have another 1 here, which is the last one, right? So now, remember, our panel, like I've said before, you will see 2 cables. Either they will color it for you black and red, or 2 blacks. And you always know that in these solar panels, your cables, one is positive, one is negative, which is plus and minus. So here we have our positive here, is our positive, and what we have our negative here. A negative, a negative, a negative. Then these are what are positive. Then in parallel connection, there is a way we do the connection that is different entirely from series. Hope we are together. So in parallel connection, all the positive goes together and all the negative goes together. So that is how you connect your panel in parallel to increase your current. So now we'll take this is my negative line. I will take a cable here and I will run it, right? Then I'll pick a cable here. I'll bring this one, I'll connect it to this one. I'll bring this panel, I'll connect it here. So this is my negative line. This is my negative. Remember, each panel is 40 volts and 5 amps. So now I'm done with the negative part. So I want to connect the positive part of this connection in these 3 panels. Now I'll pick my cable again. I will bring it here. So I don't want it to jam, so I will cross it over and I will bring it like this. So I will bring this panel cable and do what? And come and join it. Hope we are following. Then this other one, the same thing, and I will join it here. Then this is my what? This is my negative output. So remember, unlike we do for series, remember a current that is increasing and we are working on 5 amps. So our current in this situation, our current will now be what? Will now be 5 amps plus 5 amps plus 5 amps. Our total current will be what? 15 amps. Then our V, which is voltage, will remain 40 volts. Hope we are following. So this is the simplest way to calculate for or to do parallel connection and how it works. So let's bring our output here, our results here, right? So at the end, we have what? At the end, we have our voltage is equals to 40 volts, while our what? Current is equals to 15 amps. Because we connect in parallel, and parallel say increase current and voltage remain constant. So this is how you can calculate your current for parallel connection. And if you have another panel, you place it here and you connect it negative to negative, positive to positive, you also add another 5 here to give you 20 amps. So this is how you add it up to any number that you want. So this is the rules, and this is how to connect panels in parallel. I hope we are together. So the same principle applies to battery, but battery are rated in different ratings, differently from a solar panel. But the rules of connection, the laws of connection remain the same for both panels and both batteries. So assuming we want to add assuming we want to add another panel to make it 4, what are we going to do? We just have to bring the panel, the fourth panel, to this place. Hope we are together. Then let's label it our polarity. We have our minus here. We have also our what? We have our plus. So it's very simple. These are connection line. These are positive. Bring it here. Then it will be here, connected here, right? So, right? So this is what? My negative will come here. Negative will come here. This is what? A negative. So if I want to add this now, I have to add another 5 amps, right? Remember, we have added another panel to be 4 panel connected in what? To be 4 panel connected in, I have to add another 5. It now give me 20 amps. So if I have to connect 4 panel here, that is my amps, my current will now be 20 amps instead of 15 amps. So if you want to add another one here, it will now give you what? 25 amps. So this is how you connect panel in parallel to increase current and maintain the voltage of that panel. So the principle of operation is that the one voltage of the panel will sustain the entire panel. But when you connect them in what? In series, voltage add up, current remain the same. So when you connect in parallel, reverse is the case. So parallel connection is the opposite of series, and series connection is the opposite of parallel. So this is how the principle of this connection are, and this is what you will get as a result when you connect either in series or either in parallel. But here now we have connected, connected 4 solar panels of 200 watts, 40 volts, 5 amps in what? In parallel, and it give us what? After connection, it give us 20 amps, and our voltage is what? 40 volts. Remember, voltage does not change. Voltage remain the same under parallel connection. Are we together? So if you have gained some values of understand this system, remember to follow this channel, subscribe, and remember to do what? Comment. Maybe you have issues or you don't know how to calculate it, comment on drop your comment on the comment section, and also share to other people that want to learn, and also like this video. Is very important to us. And once again, if you have any issues or you want me to record any video concerning solar installation, CCTV camera installation, or electrical wiring systems, just let me know, or you drop it on the comment section and I will do that video, send it to you, you watch it, and also other people watch it right in this channel. All right, so this is how it is and this is how it works. All right, and I believe everybody have learned this, and everybody have also taken note. Anybody that watch this video have also know how to do simple connection of 3 panels, or even 2 or 4, or even up to 10, because the principle I shared here, the way I connect it here, you can also add up other panels and follow the same way to get your calculation, and your output will be correct. All right. Thank you very much for watching to this SN, and do well to watch other videos, because we have other videos on solar system, CCTV camera system, electrical wiring system. I will see you in the next video.